Hello, friends. I hope you are doing well. So, the topic for today is Indus Valley Civilization. It is a very important topic, especially different sites. Their archaeological findings are very tough to learn. So, we will be learning all of them with the help of memory techniques today. I am Purti Garg, a national memory champion, and I have also been felicitated at several places. You can know more about me over here. So coming to the topic of Indus Valley civilization, we need to know a few things before we start with the Indus Valley sites and their archaeological findings. But before starting that, I would like to tell you a few things that you can follow me on Telegram. You can connect with me there. Search Sampurti Memory Booster, or I'm giving you the link in the description and in the comment section. You can follow me by clicking on that link. So I'm posting some additional bytes of information there, like if Deep Ocean Mission is in news, so I'll be posting few points related to that. Or Bijolia Andolan was in news, so I will be posting few points regarding that. So this way you can get some additional bytes of information. Plus I'm posting some practice questions also relating to different subjects. So you can always practice them over there. Also, if you are liking the videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more awesome videos. I'll be posting videos on many important topics. Also, I have already posted a video on chronology of ancient history. Indus Valley is the second video in that series of ancient history. So you can always watch that video for chronology of ancient history. Coming to Indus Valley civilization now, the first site that was discovered was Harappa, and it was discovered by Daya Ram Sahani. So Daya Ram, Daya I can imagine, Daya of CID. तो दया कुछ ढूंढ रहा था. दया was investigating. It was looking for something like it was looking for something for his investigation case, and finally he found it that. So he said, Hudappa, I found. वो बहुत खुश हुआ and he said, Hudappa, I found it. That means Daya, he founded something and he was filled with joy, and he shouted, or he spoke loudly, Harappa. So Dayaram Sani discovered Harappa. Now you will not be confused between Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro, Daro is Daru, you can say Daru, beer, alcohol, and it is banned at many places. So banned, R.D. Banerjee. Now you will never be confused between who discovered Harappa and who discovered Mohenjo-daro. So Harappa was the first site. So this is also known as Indus Valley is also known as Harappan civilization, since Harappa was the first site that was discovered. Now coming to the Harappan sites and the archaeological findings, the first one is Harappa now. Harappa, as I told you, Harappa can relate with Hadappa. We can relate Harappa with Hadappa. So Dil Bole Hadappa was a movie. Now the first point says cemetery, then graveyard and coffin burial. Now you can imagine the sick boy digging a hole with this. ये जो इसके हाथ में एक आपको डंडा सा दिख रहा है, वो इससे एक ग्रेव, एक कबर खोद रहा है. सो सिमेट्री एंड ग्रेवयार्ड आपको ये इमेजिन करके याद आ जाएगा. कॉफिन बरियल, जब इसने कबर खोदी, आफ्टर डिगिंग द कॉफिन or after digging the graveyard, now he is placing that coffin inside the graveyard. So coffin burial. ये हो गया sick boy. So these 3 points. Coming to granary. Now Shahid Kapoor was shooting for this movie, Dil Bole Hadappa. Now he was very tired and he wanted to eat something. He was very hungry. So he went outside and he looked for a granary. Then Mother Goddess and phallus worship. Now, what was the theme of this movie? The theme of Dil Bole Hadappa was to promote the worship of Mother Goddess, and with the like they were offering flowers, phallus और phallus worship. तो फल कह सकते हैं. So फल या फूल से हम याद रख सकते हैं, like fruits or flowers. So they were offering फल to the Mother Goddess in worship. So the theme of Dil Bole Hadappa was worshipping, to promote the worship of Mother Goddess. Like see, India, there is a paternal culture. Okay, we follow paternal culture. Okay, but now we are promoting the worship of Mother Goddess. So this movie promoted the worship of Mother Goddess, and they offered phallus worship. Okay. Coming to the next is Kali Bangan. Kali Bangan, I can say Kali Bhangan. Bhangan is the sweeper that comes to your home every morning. Now, we can imagine, we can visualize this lady. So lower fortified town. Just imagine that this lady, this Bangan we can say, or this lady, she works in a town. Okay, evidence of earthquake. Now this town was a very developed town, but once due to earthquake, it collapsed. ठीक है, ये एक टाउन देख रहे हैं, बट यहाँ पे अभी टूटा फूटा है, एक अर्थक्वेक आया, बहुत सीवियर अर्थक्वेक, एंड ये टाउन पूरा बिखर गया, गिर गया, टूट गया. तो अब जो इसका टूटे हुए पार्ट्स थे, जो हिंदी में बोलते हैं मलबा, जो भी ये पार्ट्स थे, ब्रिक्स थी, मड ब्रिक्स एंड जो जो भी था, उस सब में दिस लेडी वाज लुकिंग फॉर अ वुडन ड्रेनेज. व्हाई? बिकॉज शी वाज टोल्ड दैट देयर इज अ कैमल बोन inside the drainage. So she was searching for this wooden drainage to get this camel bone. This was not an ordinary camel bone, this was a precious one. Okay, so when she was searching for this drainage, she found the camel bone. Also she found a fire altar. So ये fire altar था, and इस पर जो रखी थी एक camel bone रखी थी. Now when she found this camel bone, she thought of going deeper into that to search for any further precious things. उसको लगा अगर कैमल बोन मिल गई तो और भी कुछ precious मिल सकता है. So she started digging further with the wooden plow, and what she found it copper ox. उसको एक कॉपर तांबे की और चीज मिली. So she got rich with the help of this camel bone and copper ox. So how can you imagine the story? ये काली भंगन एक लेडी थी, स्वीपर थी. जैसे ही टाउन में अर्थक्वेक आया तो टूट गया वो ड्रेनेज, वुडन ड्रेनेज ढूंढ रही थी जिसमें एक फायर अल्टार था, उस पे कैमल बोन थी. उसको लगा अब तो और कुछ भी मिलेगा, तो वुडन प्लॉ से उसने और सर्च करा और उसको मिल गई कॉपर की ऑक्स. सो यू कैन सी दिस, यहाँ पे फायर अल्टार था जिसमें कैमल की बोन है, and finally she found it copper ox. This is just to give you an imagination, a visualization of the things. Then the very important point is, it is the only Indus Valley civilization site where there is no evidence to suggest the worship of mother goddess. हमने अभी हड़प्पा के लिए पढ़ा कि दिल बोले हड़प्पा की थीम थी to promote the worship of mother goddess with the help of फल. Okay, phallus worship. तो मदर गॉडेस की मोस्टली हर साइट में वर्शिप होती थी एक्सेप्ट कालीबंगन. दिस इज द ओनली इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन साइट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. Then the next one is Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro, as I told you, दारू क्या हुई थी? Ban. So it was discovered by R.D. Banerjee. Now you will never forget this. But to learn the archaeological findings, I have given a better code or an interesting code. Mohenjo-daro. Mohit Rana. Okay, so you can see this Mohit Rana of Uri. Now, prepared garments. Since he was working for an army, so he has to wear the आर्मी ड्रेस. प्रिपेयर्ड गारमेंट्स, ये आर्मी के गारमेंट्स उसको पहनने, आर्मी ड्रेस. तो जैसे ही आप मोहित रैना को इमेजिन करेंगे तो आपको आ जाएगा याद गारमेंट्स, आर्मी की ड्रेस. देन स्टैचू ऑफ अ डांसिंग गर्ल. नाउ दिस रैना, he planned to visit his girl and take her girl to a temple. तो वो रास्ते में जा रहा था, मोहित रैना अपने घर से निकला. he was going to his girlfriend's home, and in the way what he saw was ivory weight balance. That means उसने देखा बहुत सारे जो टस्क्स हैं, बहुत सारी आइवरी की ट्रैफिकिंग हो रही थी. So he stopped on the way and he tried to basically try to ask questions, try to investigate कि यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है, इतना सारा आइवरी कहाँ से आया. ओके, तो क्या स्टोरी बनी? मोहित रैना अपने घर से निकला, अपनी गर्ल के पास जा रहा था टू टेक हर टू द टेम्पल. रास्ते में उसने देखा आइवरी. तो गर्ल से आपको डांसिंग गर्ल याद आएगा, एंड आइवरी जो रास्ते में उसने देखा वो क्या था? आइवरी की ट्रैफिकिंग. सो आइवरी वेट बैलेंस. देन हमने बोला वो अपनी गर्ल को कहाँ ले जा रहा था? टेम्पल. तो भोले बाबा के टेम्पल ले जा रहा था, पशुपति सील. एंड सील जो मंदिर था, मंदिर ये है, यहाँ पर मूर्ति है, मूर्ति के बाहर आपने क्या देखा? ग्रेट बाथ, सरोवर टाइप होता है ना, जैसे अमृतसर में है गोल्डन टेम्पल में. तो पशुपति सील वो मंदिर ले जा रहा था भोले बाबा के, एंड उसके बाहर क्या था? एक सरोवर, ग्रेट बाथ. वहां पे वो उन दोनों ने नहाए. दे टुक बाथ इन दैट ग्रेट बाथ, एंड आफ्टर दैट दे एंटर्ड द टेम्पल. द बियर्डेड प्रीस्ट blessed them and gave them or told them to visit the granary for prasad. In Hindi I can tell you, मोहित रैना ने आर्मी की ड्रेस पहनी, अपनी गर्ल को लेने जा रहा था टेम्पल के लिए. रास्ते में उसने आइवरी की ट्रैफिकिंग देखी, वो उसको भोले बाबा के टेम्पल ले गया. बाहर बहुत अच्छा सा सरोवर था, उन्होंने नहाया, फिर अंदर गए, हाथ जोड़े, प्रीस्ट की ब्लेसिंग्स ली, एंड फाइनली ग्रैंडरी में प्रसाद खाया। नाउ कमिंग टू लोथल। लोथल, थल, थाली आपको दिख सकती है, जैसे आप साउथ इंडियन थाली ऑर्डर करते हो, थाली, ये आपको थाली दिख रही है खाने की, सो थाली, दैट मीन्स प्लेट। ओके, पोर्ट टाउन। नाउ यू डिसाइडेड टू विजिट दिस ब्यूटिफुल पोर्ट टाउन ऑन अ हॉलिडे। लोथल, यहाँ पर आप थाली से हम याद करेंगे, आपने साउथ इंडियन थाली ऑर्डर करी when you visited this port town. Okay, and you had a dog, a pet dog, and when you are going on a holiday you cannot leave your pet dog alone at home, so you took your dog along with you to this port town. So port town and copper dog yaad ho gaya. You were going on a holiday, you had lunch, you had dinner over there in this thali, and this thali was made up of ivory. So again ivory weight balance, ये आपका मोहित रैना में भी था, मोहनजोदारो, ivory weight balance, and ये आपका लोथल में भी है, ivory weight balance. Now in this थाली we can see this evidence of rice. तो लोथल थाली में सबसे ज्यादा पोर्शन किसका था? राइस का था. So evidence of rice. And finally when you were returning from this port town, जब आप when you were returning from this port town, आपने क्या देखा? You saw a graveyard जहाँ पर हवन हो रहा था, fire altar था. Okay, you had a wonderful day in this port town, you enjoyed a lot. While returning to your home, you came across a graveyard where there was fire altar and the fire was lit up in that fire altar. So you ran away from there, you got frightened and you ran away from there. Coming to Rangpur. Rangpur, rang क्या होता है? Colors, colorful. So you can see this colored rice. So evidence of rice. This rice is very colorful, full of जैसे रंगोली के colors होते हैं, different colors. Similarly, you are fond of eating this colorful rice. So now whenever your mom will prepare rice for you, so you will ask her to prepare colored rice. Rangpur, right? Coming to Sarkotada or Surkotada. Now सुरकोतड़ा, सुर से सुरेश रैना हम इमेजिन कर सकते हैं. सो माई विजुअलाइजेशन और माई कोड फॉर सुरकोतड़ा इज सुरेश रैना. नाउ horse bone. Suresh Raina is fond of horse riding, so you can imagine the suited booted Suresh Raina sitting on a horse riding. Stone covered grave. Now horse riding के लिए आपको बहुत open space चाहिए, so he visited a graveyard to find an open space. So stone covered grave. And finally canals, can. So horse riding करते करते वो क्या कर रहा था? बियर की कैन भी हाथ में ले रखी थी, and he was enjoying beer while horse riding. So he needed space for horse riding, so he went to a grave, a stone covered grave, and finally he was enjoying beer can, or he was enjoying beer on while riding a horse. So can, beer can, right? So for today I'll keep it till here. The part 2 of this Indus Valley sites will be uploaded very soon. Stay tuned and please subscribe the channel so that you can get the notification. See you very soon. Take care.